Cameron Smotherman is set to go down against Jake Hadley, and Jake Hadley, the White Kong, is very well-rounded fighter, 5'10", 70 inches of reach. Right now fighting in bantamweight, this guy really did well against Kyle Grant, lost to Charles Johnson, Cody Durden, destroyed Malcolm Gordon. Cameron Smotherman accepting the fight on a short notice. Way to go, he's got big balls, this 5'9", 69 inches of reach fella. Destroyed Ryan Mondala, Ryan Gousse. Used to be a Fury champion when he destroyed Mendo Gutierrez. But I'm scared because he lost to Harolympios Grigoriou, and when he fought the high-level, high-caliber fighters, he was having a hard time, especially on the ground, and I think this might be a problem for him, really big problem, because Hadley's got a great ground game, and Smotherman would have to keep the fight standing. He is doing this one on short notice. I only have to say that Cameron Smotherman is an excellent fighter, but fighting Hadley on short notice is a suicidal mission, so I'm going with Hadley to win.